We use advanced paneling when we want to have complete control over the positions of the seams on the mesh. Here we have a mesh which is a 3D curved shape, as we can see here. We draw in using just regular lines, a line showing where the seam is going to be. And we draw in another line showing where the next seam is going to be. And in this case I'm going to make it an unusually shaped panel by drawing the second line across here. Normally seams would go along or across the mesh, as we've seen in previous videos. We specify first of all that we're going to make cross sections from the mesh, and then later on we'll convert these cross sections into panels. Here I've specified to make cross sections from meshes and lines. Choose the number of points which is roughly similar to the number of points going across the mesh, and specify a number of infill cross sections. I'm going to put 7 in there, and that's going to be the number of extra cross sections that we're going to get in between the two main seams. We then select the mesh and the two lines, we normally refer to these as cut lines, and then click to create cross sections. Cross sections drawn in there lie exactly in the mesh surface, and so they follow the mesh surface perfectly. We can make a copy of them. And these cross sections can then be panelled by selecting the radio button Convert Cross Sections to a Panel, then selecting them and run the tool. Here is the slightly odd shaped panel. We can join this to the other panels to make the full 3D shape.